If you ever uploaded a video and realized it was the wrong size for the platform, here's the fastest way to resize it in CapCut without starting over. Whether you need vertical for shorts or horizontal for YouTube, I'll show you how to switch formats in seconds. All right, first we're gonna start in mobile. So I'm gonna pull up my phone and I'm gonna go to my video that I just imported in. At the bottom part, I'm not clicking on the video yet. I'm just gonna keep scrolling to the right until I see aspect ratio. I'm gonna click on that. And right here, boom, it's all there. And it even shows you with the logo of the social media platform you need to post to. So if it's TikTok, then 9:16. You can see how it's vertical now. If I went to a square for Instagram, right there. Or I could do the YouTube, which is what I already have it in. It has all these different ones. Now, if you're doing a vertical, you can see I have the top and the bottom. There's some tricks we could do to make it look better. But what I could do is just click on the video and zoom in until it reaches all of it. And now I am taking up the whole vertical screen. There's some other tricks, again, we're gonna do where you can literally have a blur behind it as well. I'll make sure I add the link to that video in the description. But that's how you change the aspect ratio or the sizing as far as vertical, horizontal. Quick, easy, one step in the mobile app. Now let me show you how to do it on desktop. So on desktop, sometimes you can miss it. So it is really small. There's not a button like that. So again, I inputted my video right here. It's imported. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the right. You can see right here it says 16:9. Now sometimes it might say ratio, sometimes it already might have the sizing like it is right here, but that's your aspect ratio. So right here I can go through and change all of them. Okay, now this one does not have the logo for the social media, so you would have to know ahead of time, but I can pretty much tell you 9:16, that's going to be like TikTok or any sort of reel. And the 16:9, that's going to be your YouTube. You can also put in custom if you want just to put in the numbers as well right here. You can do that as well. But let's just maybe go vertical now, put in that 9:16. Same thing as before. If I want to size it, I'll click on it. And then I can just drag until it fits my screen. And now I'm in the middle of that screen for that vertical. There it is, super simple, super easy to do. And there's a bunch of other features that I love in CapCut that makes the editing process so much easier. One of them is eye tracking. If you notice in the beginning of this video, I was looking at the camera as I was talking to you. In reality, I was actually looking at a script to the left of my screen, but it readjusted my eyes facing forward so that way it looked like I was engaging with the viewer, with you, looking at the camera the entire time. Now, I don't script all my videos, but I did that as a reference so that way you guys can see how accurate it really is. So go back to the beginning of the video to see that. And if you want to see how I did that, go ahead and check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.